Good morning, everyone. Today's class is about how to make a research presentation based on your proposal. Research presentation is not just reading your proposal, it is the art of explaining your idea clearly, visually, and professionally. Throughout this session, I will guide you step by step using the same structure you see in this slide deck. First of all, is design. The design should be eye-catching. You can when you start your building your presentation, your first goal is design. Clean eye-catching design makes the audience trust you more. You can use Canva, PowerPoint, or any tools you prefer. However, avoiding the copied templates directly is preferable because your design should reflect your research identity. Stick to simple colors, readable fonts, and balanced layouts. Uh, now, the next is our proposal summary. The proposal summary consists what, how, profit. Every research presentation must begin with a clear summary of your proposal. This summary usually answers the three basic questions that I shown: what, how, profit. What is your research about, or what was your proposal actually about? Then how will your research work, or how can your proposal affect everyone? uh, then profit, what profit or benefit will your research create? um, about uh, these 3 points prepare your audience to understand your study. um, for the part 1, what, uh, the thing was was your proposal about. On this slide, you explain the core idea of your research. Keep it short, 1 or 2 sentences. Tell the audience what issue or problem you studied, uh, and why it is important, what your research aims to discover. Remember, clarity is more important than complex words. For how, in the part 2, how can your proposal affect everyone? This part explains how your research creates changes. Uh, Here you highlight the impact, who will benefit from your work, how will your research improve a system, a community, or an industry. Why is this research needed today? Your audience should understand the value of your study. For the part 3, profit, uh, possible profits of your and general mass. Here the word profit does not mean money. Here profit means all kinds of benefits, like for example economic benefits, social benefits, ethical benefits, or environmental. Explain clearly how your research creates positive outcomes. Then your goal is to show why your research really matters. For the second, it's further possibilities. uh, what can you do, economic, socially, economic, social, or ethical, and virtual. Most research has a future potential. I use this slide to show how more can be done with your idea. Break it into four areas. Uh, the first of all, the economic, uh, the economic idea area should consist on financial improvement. The social area should consist on community level benefits. Ethical should on fairness or safety improvements. Then about the virtual, digital or technological advancements. This shows that your idea can grow beyond the proposal. Now, about the clear and loudness of your script, when presenting your voice and uh, confidence is matter. Keep your speech slow, clear, and well structured. Um, make eye contact and avoid reading from the slides. Your slide is a guide, you are the real presenter. Always remember that. Many people forget that and they see the slide and do uh, reading and stuff. That is very disgraceful and it shows your lack of confidence. Now for part 6, literature review findings and gaps. The script of is very important. The literature review slide proves that you have done your homework. It shows what is already known and what is missing. Organize it like this. Uh, Global findings, what researchers found worldwide, local findings, what was done in your country or region. After that, identify the research gaps, what information is missing, what has not been studied properly. Uh, Finish with lines such as this study aims to fill these gaps by. Yes, and there you go. This connects the review with your research purpose. Okay, now for part 7, our implications. Implications are link between theory and method. This section explains how the gap you found influences your research method. Uh, um, you should mention what was wrong or incomplete in previous studies, how your approach is different or improved, which areas you focus on, for example, policy, ethics, or infrastructure. This tells the audience that you understand the research field deeply. Now, next is our methodology. Methodology is consists of in three phase approach and then the phase and analysis. Explain your methodology in simple and structured way. Start with your approach. Approach should be qualitative, not fully quantitative. It should be well maintained, qualitative, quantitative, or mix is good which consists of balance of quality and quantity. Mixed methods so are often stronger. Then explain each phase, such as data collection, uh, survey or interview design, sampling. Then expert consultations. After that, describe your analysis tools, uh, SPSS and Vivo SQL or coding methods. This slide show that your research process is organized and valid. Now for the timeline, a timeline proves that your research is realistic, uses weeks or months depending on how long your project is. A sample structure might be weeks 1 to 3 uh, for survey design, 4 to 5 data collection, weeks 7 to 9 data analysis, then week 10 to 12 final writing. Always keep a small buffer time for unexpected delays. Now, if you go to the conclusion should be short and strong. Summarize three things: what your study focuses on, why the study is important, what impact it will have. Do not repeat the entire proposal, only highlight the essence. If we go to the reference part, for any academic presentation, references are essential. Use IEEE or any approved references style, and make sure every in-text citation in your slides matches a reference in this list. Never include sources you did not cite. Always remember this. It is a very important uh, term that you should remember. For the submission, when you finalize your presentation, check tense consistency, avoid repetitive phrases, use subheadings, make sure your problem, aim, and research questions align perfectly. Clean and organized submission makes a strong impression. So that is for today. Uh, Thank you for your attention. This structure will help your convert will help you convert your research proposal into a clear, professional, and effective presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Again, thank you so much for your time and listening my lecture.